I will talk about how can you disable events notifications on your Start Work to app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here, and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on notification here, notifications, just click on it. We come to this list here, we come here to events, click in this sign. So like you see color, it's on, it show for us like this. That's mean events disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.